Here's what I'm making for my lunch today. So I know you've seen Emily Mariko's Salmon Bowl on TikTok, and it makes a great lunch to take to work. I added jasmine rice to one compartment, air fried salmon to the next, and then this gorgeous avocado to the third compartment, and that was everything for this container. For my first side in this container, I added in the seaweed snacks. I got this brand from Costco, and literally look how perfect these little seaweed snacks fit in this container. Next, we gotta sauce it up. So Emily usually puts sriracha, Kewpie mayonnaise, it's gotta be Kewpie, and soy sauce on her salmon rice bowl. So I just decided to make it easy on myself and make that one big sauce so I could just pour it on when lunchtime comes. And finally, for dessert, I love dark chocolate, so I added these Flips dark chocolate pretzels. They're literally so good, and this container fit the perfect amount. And with that, my lunch was packed. All I have to do is stick it in my lunchbox and bring it to work.